my YouTubers, I mean my Wolfpack members, I found a cricket at service in England. Look, cricket right there. There's my old friend. I also was playing cricket and then I found one. Green one, probably must be rare. Any of you guys know about little creatures like this, cricket? Can you tell me if this is a rare species or not? Because I'm not sure about it. But it may. Also, I'll tell you a fact about cricket. They rub their back legs together to make a sound like this. Right now, you may not hear it, but it is making a sound. Okay? Remember, stay wild. From the Golden Wolves. See you later, my boys.